Hi everyone, and I want to talk about a question that comes up sometimes in interviews, which is about equals method and hashcode method. The equals method, if there are two objects that are where the equals returns true, then what does that mean for the hashcode of those two objects? Are they the same? Are they different? And what does the Java standard say about this? Well, in a nutshell, if the hashcode method, there's something called a hashcode contract, which states that if two objects which are equal through the equals method, then the hashcode for those two objects has to be the same. And I'll show you the contract here, this is, by the way, the object definition, object Java class. And in the hashcode method here, although it says SE7, but it's the same for the other higher versions as well. It talks about here that the general contract of hashcode is, and you see here that it says that if two objects are equal according to the equals method, then calling the hashcode method on each of the two objects must produce the same integer result. So that's the part of the contract of the hashcode, and it is for this reason that you see in the equals method as well that there's a note here that you should override the hashcode method whenever you override the equals method to ensure that you return the same value for two objects where the equals is the same. So let's just confirm that this is the same for other versions of Java. So if I go to object Java doc, you have 8 here. This is for the 8, version 8 of Java. And you look at the hashcode method here, and we'll see here that it's the same. Two objects are equal according to the equals method, then calling the hashcode method on each of the objects must produce the same result. And if we do the same on object Java doc 11, I'm sure we'll see the same thing here as well. Go to hashcode, and there we have it here, exactly the same. So for everyone, just to recap there, that if two objects are equal according to the hashcode method, if two objects are equal according to the equals method, then the hashcode on each of these objects must produce the same result.